Oh my gosh!
So eto na nga mga hobby bees, pumunta ako ng mall today kasi bumili ako ng polo shirt. Etong brand na to, kilala for their quality ng mga damit. Kaya naman expected ko na rin na may kamahalan talaga yung kanilang mga polo shirts.
So ayun na nga. Ito yung binili ko sa mall na t-shirt. 990 ang bili ko. Maganda talaga yung quality in fairness. But recently, nalaman-laman ko, merong pinag-uusapan ngayon ng mga polo shirts na exact same quality daw, pero way lesser. It's like almost 70% off. Etong sa mall is 990, pero you can get daw the same at around 300 pesos lang. So, today, we see kung totoo ba talaga ang chismis. Tada! Ang dami kong binili. I have my doubts actually kasi syempre around 300 lang yung price nitong nabili ko online. So kung i-compare ko dito sa mall, I don't think exactly the same. But let's find out. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is no eme. This is not OA. It's exactly the same. Actually, pwede kong isipin na baka same ang supplier or same ang gumagawa na manufacturer because it's exactly the same. Ito yung sa mall ha, na quality. Tingnan mo yung cloth. Ito yung bili online. It's the same exact quality. Mas maganda pa nga to eh. Mas maganda pa nga to online kasi gusto ko yung buttons niya oh. Etong nabili ko sa mall, ganyan yung buttons niya. Mas bet ko tong sa online. Mas malinis tingnan yung butones. It's really nice. Pero no joke, I'm not kidding. It's the exact same quality. Sa price na 990 sa mall, kung dito sa online, 3 piraso na. 'Di ba? At mas marami pa yung options online actually. This is a huge steal. This is high-end quality talaga. Yes, it's breathable. Gusto ko yung may pagka slightly stretchable niya, pero matibay siya, makapal yung tela, pero breathable. Para talaga yung sa mall. At mas marami pang options. Kaya siya pinag-uusapan because it's really a steal. It's not eme, it's not lokohan, it's not budol. This is really the real deal. Oh, I like this better. Mas gumanda yung shape ng katawan ko because of the fitting dito sa arms. It's breathable, very comfortable siya. Kahit makapal yung tela ha, hindi siya mainit. Ang ganda ng fit niya oh. Lakas makapogi. Pwede na tong pang gift. Siguro kung tanggalin mo yung tag, iisipin nung binigyan mo na galing pa dun sa mall na brand tong polo. Guys, itataya ko pangalan ko dito. Ang ganda niya talaga. This is black. This is pink. This is khaki. And this is brown. I'm 5'8" and I'm 68 kilograms. This shirt is medium. So, yun ang basis nyo. For the price nito, 300, it's actually very social. Very class yung quality, yung style, ang yung cut niya. Highly recommended. I'm gonna put the link in the comments kung bet nyo din. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and...